In this video, we're going to talk about how to be a successful sentence detective. A sentence detective looks for good sentences. This means the detective finds bad sentences like fragments and run-ons that can be made into good sentences. We will work on locating run-ons in this video. If you want to know more about detecting fragments, check out the fragment detecting video. A run-on is two or more complete sentences punctuated as one sentence. The complete sentences are independent clauses. The two sentences may not have any punctuation joining them, such as Cindy went shopping. She met her friend Ariel at the mall, which is called a fused sentence. Or the two sentences may be joined by a comma. Cindy went shopping. She met her friend Ariel at the mall, which is called a comma splice. How can we detect a run-on? We begin with two questions. Where is the subject and where is the verb? Then we keep reading the sentence. If we have another subject and verb before the period, we probably have a run-on. Remember, a run-on is two sentences or two independent clauses punctuated as a single sentence. Let's look at our first example. We have what looks like a sentence. However, after we find the first subject and verb, Cindy and went, we keep looking and find another subject, she, and another verb, met, before the period. So we have a fused sentence type of run-on. To refresh your memory, a fused sentence has no punctuation between the two sentences or independent clauses. So we found the subject and we found a verb, but we kept looking and found another subject and another verb before the period. That makes a fused sentence. But wait, there's another type of run-on, the comma splice. Let's look at an example of a comma splice. We have what looks like a sentence, but we read and see a subject, Cindy, and a verb, walked. As we continue, we spot a comma before another subject, she, and another verb, met. This makes a comma splice. Our job as sentence detectives is to find a problem sentence, such as run-ons and fragments, and correct them. This video shows a way to detect run-on sentence errors, the fused sentence and the comma splice. Remember, the questions are, where is the subject and where is the verb? And keep reading to see if there are more subjects and verbs before we get to the period at the end of the sentence. As good sentence detectives, we have to always be on the lookout for run-ons so we can correct them.